But now you're installing them now, babe, yeah?
What's that, babe?
Just installing them now, yeah?
You're distracting me, baby.
Sorry, darling.
How long did it take me to get off the tubs?
3 minutes?
Wow, 3 minutes. It's quite good.
It's quick. This. Get the top hat again. It's always good to have top hats. I used to fit them all the time when I used to put on tabs. Some people you don't need them, but Yeah, it gets you to get a little bit of pressure.
And when the nuts go rusty and then they're up against the bath, it's just long.
Yeah.
Like with the top hats, you can cut them off, break them with a chisel.
Yeah.
Right, let's have a look. Let's get these gloves back on.
Make sure you take care of your hands, bro.
I have to. The amount of times I used to break a nail. So. Start getting messages to fit taps, even though I've come off the tools. Right, that's that one. Make sure it's proper nice and tight. Because you've got the top hat, you can do that.
Yeah.
The one furthest away is always the most annoying one. Then I'm going to need to fill the one further away. Because if you've got gloves on, sometimes you can't get the bite.
Yeah.
Let's get that. You have no leverage to tighten it.
Oh.
That should be nice and tight. World's fastest female plumber. And you know, some people think when you do it fast, the job's not done properly. The job is done properly. It's not about going fast. It's just about how long it takes you.
Learn your job. Know what you're doing.
Obviously, when you're doing a job for someone, you take your time a bit. Because if you're charging someone like £1 or £1.50 to do something, you're not going to be in their house like 20, 30 minutes. And then, you know, they're like, did you even do the job properly? Yeah, all done. Whew, anyone want any taps? Holler at your girl.